Forget what you know about wood, this is stone.
This is stone.
A petrified wood represents deep time. Ancient forests turned to rock.
Ancient forests turned to rock.
And identifying these fossils requires understanding the process of permineralization. We must look past the vibrant color to the structure within. The first key is observing the preserved cellular anatomy of the original tree. A look for growth rings, they are the defining characteristics. A genuine petrified wood retains these original structural signals. But now that we understand grain, let's explore texture contrasts. An external texture often mimics the ruggedness of original tree bark. Authentic specimens show evidence of natural wear and tear. I'll contrast this with common imitations that appear unnaturally uniform. The surrounding geological context provides crucial supporting evidence. The mineralization process dictates the final stone's character. A silica replacement, often quartz or opal, dictates hardness and density. Main color is derived from trace elements like iron, manganese, or copper. The deep reds usually signify iron oxidation during the fossilization stage. Now that we understand minerals, let's look at preservation quality. A high preservation shows clear, distinct cellular walls, not just amorphous shapes. Poor preservation results in indistinct clouding where cells once stood. The fracture pattern itself offers clues to density and mineralization. What more complete silica replacement leads to a glacier, more durable fracture. Fracture size does not equate to age or quality, context matters more. Even structural defects like knots are often perfectly fossilized. Trace the directionality. The long fibers should generally run parallel. Never discount the surrounding matrix, it tells the burial story. Dendrites, or branch-like inclusions, are mineral features, not wood structure. The ultimate test is verifying the absence of organic material. If the wood is truly mineralized, it will feel cold and heavy. A true cross-section reveals perfect radial symmetry of the original plant. But the grain should flow logically, mapping the tree's growth path. This process, called silicification, replaces organic matter molecule by molecule. But early stages show patchy replacement, leading to mixed textures. Veins and fractures often fill with secondary mineral deposits later on. Now that we understand structure, let's compare common lookalikes. An agate often displays banding, but lacks true cellular architecture. Diide imitations show uniform, unnatural color saturation throughout. Different ancient trees yield different structural patterns when fossilized. But conifers typically show highly ordered, radial cell arrangements. A tropical woods, like ancient palms, present complex, mottled patterns. On the way the structure tapers can indicate the original branch or trunk location. The preservation environment determined the final mineral composition. Unstressed fractures reflect the enormous geological forces endured over eons. A Bayesian magnification helps visualize the perfectly inverted cellular structure. These structures are permanent records of ancient biological life. Even the smallest shard can reveal its identity if examined closely. The transition from rough exterior to polished interior shows the removal of matrix. A look for the chaotic beauty of quartz crystallization within the organized wood lines. Each cell cavity is a testament to the original cellular biology preserved. Use light manipulation to highlight subtle differences in mineral density. But now that we have the tools, interpretation becomes second nature. A helpful technique involves testing hardness with common tools. A silica-based wood will resist scratching by steel, much like quartz. And remember, this transformation often requires millions of years of slow deposition. Whose success means finding the fusion of mineral chemistry and biological form. The grain tells the story of the ancient forest canopy. Observe the minute variations that define that specific year's growth. Verify that the wood structure transitions seamlessly into the surrounding matrix. And your eye, aided by magnification, is the best tool for confirmation. Every line, every color shift is an undeniable fingerprint of the past. A look closer next time the story of the ancient Earth is written in stone.